fun with the bugs. Today we have the SGILE Speed Stunt Car coming up.
Right after this.
We got the SGILE Speed Stunt Car. We want to thank SGILE for sending us this car to check out. It is a stunt car. Let's take a look at what we got. It looks like it's gonna have lights. It's gonna do stunts. It's gonna do spins.
Can it flip over?
And right over there on the box, it shows you lots of stuff that this car can do. So we're gonna open it up. We're gonna take a look at what's in the box. And we're gonna check it out. All right, so we got the car out of the box. It comes with a remote control. Up, down, left, right. Comes with a charger. The car itself uses rechargeable batteries. The remote control uses regular AA batteries. We'll have a link in the description how you can order this car.
Does it skid?
Does it skid? We're gonna do skids, we're gonna do jumps, we're gonna do stunts. We're gonna be driving on our heads.
What are you on it?
What? So let's take a look at the car, Bugs.
It's not
Ready?
sticky.
So let's turn the car on and let's take a look.
Crazy Daddy, it's not sticky.
The car has lights. The car has music. There's a button up here, Bugs. Look. Ready? This button up here will actually play different sounds and music. Yeah, Bugs, get down! Whoa! That is some awesome tunes right there. So let's take a look at the car. Okay, he's quiet. So there's lights all over this car. Very cool looking. This thing is gonna be really awesome in the dark. The back wheels, check it out, Bugs. The back wheels extend out. They go in. The front of the car spins around. So watch this. Can you hold the car up like that? And let's just take a look at what these wheels do. As you can see, we got some spinning action.
The car does everything.
And I think we are ready to have some fun. So we are back from having fun. Once again, this is the Speed Stunt Car by SGILE. We have a link in the description below how you can order this car. Bugs, what'd you think?
Awesome, and I love the rock and roll.
Love the rock and roll. As you can see, it was obviously a stunt car, lots of stunts, lots of tricks. The car just doesn't get stuck. If it does, you just spin your front wheels and you're good to go. And that's it. So once again, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment below. Let us know what you think of the Speed Stunt car. There's going to be a little button that pops up right over here. Please subscribe for more awesome videos from Fun with the Bugs. And as we do not know what we're going to say anymore when we're out on Fun with the Bugs, so I'll leave it up to the bugs. Bugs?
I have no idea.
I have no idea. Out.
I wasn't gonna say that.
Too late.